everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney if you are new here. In today's video, I am going to be doing this look, which is a graphic liner using just like a couple of different products. It's a bit bolder of a classic winged liner, which I like. It's a little bit more punk. If you would like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch to the end, like and subscribe, and let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is grab Plum by Laura Mercier, and I'm just gonna throw it underneath the eye and smudge it with my finger. I like the smokiness underneath to like next to the graphicness of the liner. So now I'm going to apply it to my lid. So all over, you're kind of carving out the shape that you want for the liner. And then this way, I find it's a lot easier to create that graphicness when you're not starting with something that's so precise like a liquid liner. So that's why I like to do the liquid liner afterwards. So I can kind of carve out what I want. I wanted to go to almost to cutting off the end of my brow. So about right there. And this is a pretty crayon-y liner, so it's gonna be a little bit thicker. I'm not worried about that because I'm going to perfect that tip with the precision brush that comes with the liquid liner. Close enough. Clearly not. So I find, and that can be, it doesn't have to be so perfect because like I said, you're gonna go in and define everything with the liquid liner. The liquid liner I'm using is from NYX Cosmetics. It's just called Black. It's the Epic Wear. I'm gonna start at the tip. You can use a makeup remover. I've always used spit. That may not be the most hygienic, so do what you think is best. I don't want it to be, if you find that it's getting a little bit too chunky or too high, then you can just kind of pinch the end with your spit. So now I'm just gonna go and trace around the color that I already put down. I find that this makes it a lot easier for me because I don't know about you, but I get pretty anxious when I'm working with like a liquid. Can you see that? I have a mirror over here that I'm working off of, but hopefully you can see that too. So I just made the tip of it a little bit sharper using the precise brush. And now I'm just gonna go around and I'm gonna go around the color that I first placed down. And that you want it to be pretty precise. And you want it to be about the same thickness. So take your time with it. Same thing on the inner corner here. I'm bringing the inner corner further down. So I'll do that first. And you want to try to get it as symmetrical as possible. There's no perfect. And then connect. And if you mess it up or if it gets jagged, you can go back in because I didn't put down any shadows or anything up here. So you can just remove with a Q-tip. Keep your chin out and that'll help keep your eyelids flat so you won't have to worry so much about transfer. Let that dry. And that's pretty much it. If you find that you need a little bit more color, of like the brown or the plum, then you can just go back in and fix it. But for me, this is good enough. For mascara, load up on mascara, I'm using Drama Bomb by Woma. This is such a good mascara. And I already had some mascara on, so I find that this is a really good re-wetting mascara. So if you want to keep adding throughout the day like I do, it doesn't clump. It just continues to grow on the lash, which I really like in a mascara. Keeping the focus on the eyes and that graphic liner, I'm gonna go in with Little Little. This is a liner from About Face. This is almost like the perfect color of my lips, or the tattoo that I put on my lips. So I really like it. It's a beautiful, like, neutral mauve. Just throw that on with a clean finger. I smudge that. Now this color is called Milk and Honey this is also from NYX Cosmetics. This just lightens up the lip ever so slightly and just adds like a really pretty shine to the lip. All right, so there you have it. Just a cool, different take on a winged liner. It's a little bit more dramatic, but I find when you're just doing liner, you can push that a little bit further and still look cool and not like too overdone. I don't think. Some people may be like, that's overdone. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you tried this look or if you'd like to see different tutorials by me, let me know. I list all of the products that I use in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.